Of course, it is also important to consider the many threats that forest organisms must resist. Plants, unlike animals, cannot move around to collect the resources they need. You can think of plants as following a stand-and-fight lifestyle. Any given new plant has to make do with the place where its seed originally fell. This one here appears to have had the good luck of landing in fertile soil, but it might just as well have landed farther up the slope there, where conditions are far too dry, or further down the slope in that direction, where conditions are far too wet. In any event, this seedling has to stay put and compete against all the other plants around it. It must do its best to extend its leaves over the others to gather the most sunlight, and to spread its roots the furthest to maximize the amount of water and nutrients that it collects. By growing tall and strong, it can fight against fires and bad weather. But that won't protect it from biological attacks from harmful species of fungi, and from animals. When predators come, and by that I mean animals that are predators from the plant's point of view, we call them herbivores. There is no running away. There is no hiding. The herbivores have to be resisted, and the principal tactic is the use of toxins. And it could be said that this is most true of all for the coniferous trees. Trees like these are particularly distasteful. The sap that runs under their bark and up through their branches contains a whole host of nasty chemicals that makes them simply inedible. Even dating back to the time of dinosaurs and right up to the present day, species like these have continued to thrive. The two sides, trees and tree eaters, are usually in balance, but not all of the time. The struggle is always ongoing, and the course of evolution ever continues. The insects come at the trees as hard as they can, and the trees fight back with their toxins to kill the insects as best as they can.